Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 2-foot by 8-foot runner rug. Now this can be used in an entryway, in the kitchen, really anywhere. It's a beautiful fabric. It's about 0.3 inches thick, so that way you can actually open up doors over it. Your vacuum cleaners can go over it. It's got a beautiful vintage design. There's no pilling, nothing going on there. And on your sides, it is nice and binded with a nice non-slip grip on there. So as you're moving it around, it doesn't go anywhere. I mean, this feels really nice. And it does have a waterproof top on here. So you can see all of that bead up. So whenever you have spills, you can simply just wipe them right up. Clean, ready to go. I mean, this is absolutely beautiful, and you can put this anywhere with all these different neutral colors on this one, and it comes in a variety of other colors. This would fit great in any home.